The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, let's try this again. Can I get a sound check, please? All right, there we go. Guys, good morning. I apologize. Every once in a while, for whatever reason, GoToWebinar does not connect. And unfortunately, I have to log out and log back in. Guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 25th. And all I can say is welcome to the jungle. Good morning, Marco, Gerardo, Paul. Guys, yesterday we saw a monumental rebound yesterday. For those that are in the afternoon session with me, we caught a significant portion of that. We had some monster trades yesterday. Markets managed to close green. We come in this morning and the NASDAQ is back down. Let's call it 300 for the sake of conversation. 295, 296 at the moment. ES is off 64, YM down 278, Russell off 30, gold off a couple bucks. The only green that I see is IBM in the pre-market, which beat. IBM was up at one point about 5%. It is now up 1%. Most major stocks, Apple, Facebook, Tesla, Amazon, everything I'm looking at is down big again. Good morning, Albert. We've had some bot trades. I'll show you where we're at. Gold has taken two trades, both winners, small so far. First trade was 6:06 a.m. and then a subsequent signal or an additional signal at 6:36. It got first target only. We now have a second trade in gold, which has also hit first target, has not yet gone to second or any further. Yeah, there's short sale. Well, Europe was up 3% at one point this morning. It's last I looked, it was up about 1%. I don't know where Europe is at the moment, but two bot trades in gold, both winners. And we currently have an ES trade on the bot. First target is 56 ticks, so 14 handles. It's not quite the first target yet. It is stopped here at 34 twice. This should get first target. There's nothing here until we get to 27. Good morning, Becky, and blessings to you. Chris, good morning as well. So that's our third bot trade, first ES trade of the week. NASDAQ has not taken a trade, and we are, in my opinion, headed lower. Just looking at where we're ES is probably headed to NASDAQ, 115. And below 115, I would say I think we've got a shot at 13,950 today. Most assuredly, we'll trade to blue, 14,085. YM, I'm looking for the 10-minute close below the cloud. I don't have that yet. I will at the close of the current candle. ES is a short. ES is headed to 43.12. 43.12. ES does have some hourly support. 43.28. A break of 28. That may be the day low. I haven't looked. Let me just see. Yeah, 28.75 is the day low. A break of that day low, and we're going to head to 43.12. That would be my first target. ES could head 42.71. Russell sitting on the bottom of the hourly cloud. Once we get a break below that hourly, Russell will probably drop down. So you've got the hourly support, and then you've got some support at 1996. Below that, you'll see 1981. Very good year. 1 year out of high school. Great year. Gold is bid. Gold is bid, trying to break up out of a very thin area in the small time frame cloud, but it is bid. Target on gold looks like 1850. If we get above 1850, gold is gone. That's kind of the do or die area. On crude, currently trading 83.25. If Russia invades Ukraine, you probably want to be long crude. You weren't even born yet. Good Lord, man. Come on. You're a baby. A mere child. And looking crude, I don't really see anything on crude. Natural gas and the ES got first target, guys. I'll show you the bot. So the bot has hit first target on the ES at 56 ticks. Man, 40. I'd kill to be 40 again. Gold hit second target on the bot. Obviously don't have my trail on, which will be rectified momentarily. There it is. Trail is on. But we're target one hit here. Got a $700 runner now on the ES. So with this juncture, the bot is currently up about $900. And there goes the NASDAQ blowing down. We're coming down, guys. We're coming down. We're shorts. Trade them as you see fit. NASDAQ target 115, 115. Hang on one second. Target one. Hang on, guys. And we go. All right, fellas. Apologize for that delay. I had to get a trade executed. Morning, John. NASDAQ is short. Target one, 115. Target one, 115 if you guys want a NASDAQ short. We'd be, a little bit late on this. We could have sold this probably about 195. But 115 is the target nonetheless. ES breaking down further. Morning, Ozzy. Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yeah, perfect trade, Rich. Perfect trade, short 198. Perfect. Don't tell me order flow doesn't work. We actually could have been short this morning from 257 at 635. Good morning, Greg. Or 246 at 640. We're trading into a pivot, but once that breaks, we'll get that 115. Let me quickly, let's take a look at order flow. Pay attention here, fellas. $238,000. Good morning, Nick. 238,000 contracts have traded. Just as a reminder, ordinarily when we come in at 8 a.m., we're about 68,000 contracts. We are almost 3.5 times average volume when we come into the room. The volume today is higher than it was yesterday. Nice job. Nice job, Lori. Very nice. Volume today is higher than it was yesterday. What does that mean? The first probably hour or maybe most of the day, much like yesterday, is going to be a goat mess. Let's just leave it at that. NASDAQ is going to be very difficult to trade. If you think you're going to trade it with small stops, you are gravely mistaken. If you guys, just a suggestion, if you guys are one contract traders, you may want to reduce that to 5 micros. If you normally trade 2 or 3 contracts, you may wish to reduce that. If you're Chris, you'll probably still trade 100. It doesn't matter. but we're going to get, typical Ninja Trader baloney. We're going to get freezing. Yeah, we're going to get freezing, delayed quotes, etc. So as I've done and will continue to do, I can watch price on TradeStation. You're sitting on your hands. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah, I won't sit on my hands, but I'll trade small. All right, ES guys just has a big buyer here. 43.23. You've got 400 contracts just bought. Block buys here, 57 and a 174 single prints. Right? Doesn't mean we can't drift down further, but we do have some buying, so watch that level. Yeah, yesterday was a very tough trade. No question. No question. We all cried over the summer when the NASDAQ moves 7 points and falls back 5 and moves up 3 and falls back 2. And then we get the last week where, the DOM looks like a water meter and it's almost impossible to trade. Literally almost impossible on the NASDAQ. Yeah, sheesh, that was an odd day. 386,000 contracts have traded overnight in the ES, extremely high volume again. Crude 105,000, high volume, unfinished auction in the current candle 83.08. And gold, actually lower volume. Normally we come in, we're about 54,000 contracts, a little bit lower on the volume, probably because of FOMC, which begins today, which I think tomorrow is the make or break, in my opinion, make or break for these markets. Powell either starts to walk some of this stuff back or he holds firm to his guns. Out on gold on the runner, on the bot. And we get blasted. So be that as it may. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll check news. Today is Tuesday. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. And we are good to go, guys. On crude, which got, no, I'm sorry, that's the ES. My apologies. We did not have a bot trade on crude. That ES is still in the trade. No bot trades while I was at breakfast. NASDAQ still chunking around. Morning, Jeff. Let's see here. SPY. This is a level I'm watching on the SPY for potential long. I want to see this area tested. 428. And I believe we will come test it. Anybody have any questions, guys? We still have 10 minutes. Guys, if you look at the weekly, the bot coming into the open is up $905. I will not be running the NASDAQ bot. I will not run NASDAQ. I know I'm going to get delayed quotes, so there's absolutely no point. If anybody has questions, holler. If not, sit here for a few minutes. Yeah, first target hit on crude on the bot. In the heck could I have done with my order flow, fellas? I have so many charts, and I'm sure it's behind something. On gold on the bot. This is trade 3. Well, anybody have any questions before we go? Five seconds. All right, here we go. NASDAQ getting a bid. Buyers on the NASDAQ. Now sellers, small. Trying to bid, guys, up to that 250. Never mind, too fast. There's that level I gave you guys on the long. Hourly resistance here. NASDAQ looks longs to me, guys. We're going to have to get through VWAP. Nice job. Nice job, Ozzy. YM coming down. We've got 500 buyers, fellas. NASDAQ is going to be longs. We've just got to push through this resistance area. Probably get above, the easy money was made. We're going to have to get probably above 275. Actually, the volatility isn't that bad at all. $50 sellers in here. Nothing. Support on the NASDAQ right now, guys, is right around that 200 level, 201. It just hit it. Let's see if it holds. It's not holding. NASDAQ is at 195, 194. We failed at that hourly. And nothing there. My Russell bot didn't take any trades. It should have had 2, if not 3 targets. For some reason, did not fire. Don't know why. Maybe too much volatility, but you had 3 signals. Nice job. You got filled up 670. As long as you guys got it, that's all I care about. I'm really surprised. That hasn't happened to me in a while. Watch NASDAQ for the long. All right, as long as your guys fired, that's all I care about. I like NASDAQ long. We, came through that 200, down about 15 handles below. But as long as we hold that area 200, I'm good. This is interesting, guys. Not what I expected. Small positive delta. 60 contracts. $50 area is resistance. 50, 60 area. Support is right around 200. Yeah, it's exhausted after yesterday. Guys, stops are going to be big. If you look at your DOM, this sucker is thin as get out. All get out. Our DOMs are showing 1, 2, 3, 5. There's nothing here. ES, I've got that same look, nothing. Russell, same garbage. NASDAQ, guys, if we get above that 10-minute area, it's trying to move higher. I like the NASDAQ long, but you're going to have to be really, really patient. You're going to get some what look like hellacious pullbacks. Gold just came to first target, hit it, and didn't fill on the bot. We're picking up sellers in here, guys. Small negative delta, 175 contracts, nothing. This either breaks long above, 270 or short below. My money's on long. Watch the break above VWAP. Nice job, Albert. You took it right at 200. Nice job. Long NASDAQ, guys. That's where this is trying to go. It's trying to go longs. If we get up through this pivot, this is going to go a ways. All right, guys. I'm going to try a long on NASDAQ. There it is. All right, guys. All right, there's the long. There's the long. You can see it's bananas. It's completely bananas. Target number one for me is going to be about 340. 340. Trade them as you see fit. You're up half a grand, $600 on 2 contracts. 660. Trade them as you see fit. I'll take first target at 319, 318. Target one, 318. $318 if I can get it. Come on, dog. Push. Push. Come on. Got buyers. Not a lot, but we have buyers. Trade them as you see fit for your accounts. This could pull back, guys. It was up 600, $700. Back to even. You know, that's the market we're in. I hold for targets. And right back down. You are a dirty, filthy animal today. Come on, push. Come on. Volatility is getting pretty stiff here. Target filled on gold bot. Gold is 3 for 3 today, and my Russell is not trading. Let me turn it off and back on. Do not know why it is not trading. Long now on crude on the bot. Come on, NASDAQ. Oh, trade number 2. I can't help you now. I guarantee you it's something you've done. Guaranteed. Operator error. My Russell is not taking any trades. Winner. I'm not getting any Russell trades today. Don't know why. I just did that, Paul. I turned it off and back on. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Go get me a target. Jeez. Guys, it is so rare that we get these pushes and then subsequent push and we don't get a move up. Lower high, we got the 02. Again, another 22 handles. Did not go to target. Now we have sellers in here. 25 is a net. 225 is a bounce if it gets there. 225. And 300 sellers in this block. Small negative delta. You dog. I'm out. I didn't get my damn target. I do not think it's short. If anybody took 25 on the entry, your first target is 43, 44, 25 to 44. It's NASDAQ, man. Yes, doing the same thing. If you guys bought 25 and you want to take some risk off, go ahead. Should get you to 43, but it's really sluggish. There's 41. Maybe it hit 43. It did 43 half. Hit 43.50. I like this longs, guys. I don't want shorts yet. Now, if we close here on the 10-minute, we're going to come down. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. $300 sellers. Yeah, I mean, this is typical of FOMC, this garbage. I would have thought we would have better trade than this. And I detest not getting the target. Detest it. Small buyers. 18 net buyers in this 3-minute bar. No real buying, no real selling. Net negative delta is 390, 400. Now some small sellers. Still think we trade back up to 63. $200 sellers in this block. Now we're coming down. Now you want to be short on the hourlies. You're short right now. Guys, this could be a putrid trade, so trade accordingly. I'm going to sell it. I'm short. Gold is breaking up. There we go. Come on, NASDAQ. I want to see NASDAQ come down to 115. 115. I'll take 2 off at 18. 2 off at 18. I mean, I have a target at 15, so I'm above that target. If you guys are short, you got 14, 15, 17, $1,900 trade. Trade it as you see fit. You saw it the last candle. I did not get a target. And it was, there we go. Come on. $2,000 trade. Come on. Gold just blew up. Watch gold. I don't know where gold is. Over 50. It's breaking out. Target filled. Got that target. 75 to 18. Got that one. There we go. Rat bag. Anybody short? All right. They got me once. That's cool. I got them now. Anybody short? Thank you, Jeff. Nobody short? Okay. 1,800 net sellers. All right, John. A couple of you guys are. Russell, not one trade, all winners. Yeah, me too. Me too. Was up 800 on 2 contracts. Would have been a nice trade. I didn't get target. Guys, I hold a target. Gold is breaking out. Gold is I missed it here. Look at this move at 42. I missed it. Target on Russell. I don't know. In a sec. You just hit a target. You just hit a target. You should take some risk off. Final target, Russell could trade 1960. Nice job, Lori. Nice job. Got my 15 target on the NASDAQ. Now I want to try to trade it into blue. 14,087 would be ideal. Let's call it 90. $300 buyers in this candle on a 3-minute bar. Come on, just give me target and let's move on with our lives. Gold is breaking out. Gold's target 54. I missed the trade. Gold is breaking out, fellas. Crude is still on the bot. Has not gone to first target yet. A little bit more, fellas, on this runner. A little bit more. Still, I have no Russell trades. Not taking trades today. That is the oddest thing. Look, another short. I'm not getting any Russell trades. Oddest thing. I guess after yesterday, it's telling me drop dead. Come on, a little more. You got almost a $1,400 runner, fellas. Crude on the bot has target 1. Crude on the bot has target 1. Anybody holding a NASDAQ short? Here comes our target. We're going to get that target, guys, at 90. We're going to get that target. Delta is now 2,000. We're going to get that 90 target. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. Oh, you dirty lad. Come on. Come on. Fill it. There it comes. Oh, you scumbag. Guys, we missed that target by 2 points. 2 points. 2 damn points. You got to be kidding me. Come on down. We're holding this support at 115 area again. I don't know how we didn't get that damn target. I really don't. I mean, I'm above the support. ES breaking down lower again. Crude running amok. Here we go. Come on, one more push. Target filled, fellas. Target filled. Got it. Got it. That's it. They got me on one. I got him badly on the second one. I got him badly. Everybody good? This can, guys, this can keep coming. I mean, I'm out at blue. All right. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. Gold. Damn, I missed that. All right, here comes the test on the SPY at 428 area. Got another buck and change. I want to see that test. I mean, we could get a hellacious rebound. This is almost worth the long. I'm going to put one contract on long. One contract long. All right. It's just one off the bottom here. We could dump all the way to 27, so I'm not going to give it much of a berth. We could come all the way down to 27. No bounce in sight for the YM. I missed a great short on the YM. Come on, bounce. Let's go. I dare you. My target now, guys, from here would be 115 if this thing can bounce. There are no buyers yet. There are no buyers. $115 is where I'm trying to get, fellas. $115. There we go. Let's call it 114. We just hit it. Target hit. Target hit. At 115.75. I got my target on the bounce and I couldn't get a target set. Yep, I couldn't get a target set. Thank you, John. You son of a gun. Come on. I got my target. I'm not using an ATM. I couldn't get it set. Got buyers here, fellas. Already pushed once, so if this falls back, this could dump to 027. Come on, push. 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 Small trade. Wasn't even worth it with one contract. 300 bucks. Come on. Come on. Seriously? Got buyers. We have buyers. You can't even watch the Dom. Got it. Kiss my grits, baby. Got it. Order flow, fellas. Order flow. Everybody good? This could be where we bounce. Everybody good, right? Or you guys just watching? All right, brother. Okay, Jeff. All right, John. Good to go. All right, guys. Guys, we're going to push back up. That may be our bottom. This could push back up to 185. Let me see if we get a retest. Hold the bottom. But 185, if anyone's holding, I do have a target at 148 next and then 185 on the bigger time frame. See if we get a retest of that bottom and hold. By the way, crude has gotten first target. As you know, we're not quite the second target yet. And I don't even know how many freaking trades I've missed here. This is so disappointing. I mean, really disappointing. Trade 1, winner. Trade 2, winner. Trade 3, loser. Trade 4, winner. Trade 5, winner. Trade 6, winner. Trade 7, winner. Trade 8, winner. 7 wins, 1 loss, depending on what this does. This is trade 9. And I don't have one of them, and I don't know why. My bot's obviously on. I have no idea. Richmond Fed 8 below 14. Some miss on Richmond Fed. Joel, nothing's changed from yesterday, brother. Nothing's changed. Yeah, it's on. Guys, I've been using my bot for 3.5 years. I don't know what this is about. Consumer confidence, 113. It's a beat. It's a beat. Crude may be a short up here. Big red. Watch that. Here goes your NASDAQ. Target, guys, is 184. If you're in long, you may want to be at break even, but I do have a 185 target. We've had buyers now. I'm watching 3-minute bars, 3 consecutive bars, 194, 208, and currently 370 on the 3-minute. You have buyers. Guys, give me 1 second, if you will. 1 second. That'll be our next bounce. We could come 14,000 even. 1 bot trade on the ES this morning. I'll cover them at 11 o'clock. That's it. It was on at 7 a.m. this morning. Nothing else. Another winning trade on the Russell, and I've turned my bot off and back on. And I'm, again, here is the NASDAQ, fellas. I can't show it to you. I can't move it. Almost to 14. Look, now we're going to come down to 13,867. You're up over $2,000. Nice, Lori. I gotta catch you. I need $300 to catch you. Nice job. There was your net last short at 118. Nice job, brother. Nice. Guys, look, it's rare that we don't make money. It happens, but not often. Let me take a look, guys. I'm going to look at SPY here. Microsoft is holding its weekly 50. I don't think we're coming a ton further. Let's see here. SPY. SPY. That's on the weekly. Let me look at the daily. I think we can trade back to 442 on the SPY. I'm watching it. No reversal yet on the SPYs. Guys, if you're, come on. Come on. I can get you 400, 500 bucks again, guys, if you want it. Oh, you stinking little no good, filthy. Came to 95. Came to 95. Scumbag. Oh, you're a dirty rat. You are a dirty rat. And I would have gotten filled at that 55. Look at that bounce. 20 handles. Come on, rat bag. Come on, rat bag. Come on. Give us the money. Got buyers. They're small. I want my target. I want 98. I want 98. Should go to 102 and then 115. I put another one on at 52. If it fills. No sellers, 3 sellers, 15 buyers. She's being a real pain in the neck here. I really can't believe I didn't get my target. That's beyond offensive. All right, there we go. So now my average cost here, fellas, is 59. 59. So I'll try to get one off at 75, 80. Sellers are trying to press this. Come on. Come on. Pull it up. Rotate. Let's go. All right, this is some dinky price action. There we go. Come on, give me 80. Come on. 75, 6. Oh, God, dang. I can get you another $1,000 grand if you guys want it. This is not, come on, seriously? Got to 77. Come on, buyers. Stop being sloppy. Got it. Got it. 59 to 80. Now go. Run like the wind. You guys good? Everybody good? Come on, break up above 94, and we could go 140, fellas. 170 is my final target. 170. 170. Here we go. $1,100 runner, $1,200 runner. 69.5. Bring it home. Here come the buyers. 700 buyers in this 3-minute block. Down to 1,500, just under net sellers. If you got a runner going, we should get this 70. I might be a little stiff at 69.5. Let's make this 68. 68. Trade them as you see fit. You got $1,300 on the trade. Trade them as you see fit. Okay? Trade it as you see fit for your account. I still think we can get that 69 or 68. Small sellers back in. Now I want to see O2 hold. 150 sellers back in here. Come on, buy them up. Sellers are trying to step on them. 200 and change, 220. Come on, 220, 230. Sellers are trying. They're getting absorbed. I'm on the close, fellas. I'm not letting it come back below. There we go. Net buyers are taking them now. 140, 130, negative, 160. Buyers are, it's getting absorbed. Okay? Sellers tried. They got picked up. We should make that move now to 168. That'll only give us 116 handle trade. 116 handles. Who's long? Who's long? All right, brother. We're stuck at that standard deviation. We've got to break above 49. Guys, it's a hell of a trade. I mean, so trade them as you see fit. It's a hell of a trade. Come on, NASDAQ, you are a chump. I'm on the close, fellas. 200 sellers back in here. Next bar is in 20 seconds on the 3-minute. They're buying them back again, down to 170, back to 180. I'm myopically focused on Delta. Nice job. Nice job, Alex. I am focused on the Delta. The sellers are hitting them hard in this block, guys. There we go. New candle. We need to get up through 149. Come on, buyers. 1,600 negative Delta. Here come the buyers. Trying. $100 buyers, 140 buyers. We should trade, fellas, back up to 175 and 201. We're going to go. We're going to go. We are within 20 seconds of blowing up. 20 seconds. We're pushing this damn pivot. That's what's stiffing us. Look, on the 15-minute. This is what's stiffing us. The stupid pivot at 43. We get above that 44, 45, we're going to blow. All right, new bar. Come on, let's go on the 5-minute. I'm sorry, 10-minute. All right, guys, we're not ready to go. More sellers. Sellers are trying to beat the hell out of this thing. All right, I took money. I'm out. I'm out. Take your money. It's a big trade. I still think it goes, but sellers are really, really squeezing this thing. See if we come back down and test this 14,035, 40 area. Hey, Greg, 184.50. Okay. 500, almost 600 buyers in this candle. Negative Delta blew up to 2,200. Have another gold bot trade. This is trade number 5. Again, at 11 o'clock, I will go over all bot trades. You guys can assess yours against mine. Let me take a look around, guys. YM looks the same to me. Russell the same. Minutia. Russell, Russell, gold, still longs. If it's going to bounce, it's here. But your stop needs to be 34. It's a fairly big stop. Crude. My first target is 75, and now we're 50 ticks above that. Spy. Spies are stuck at the pivot as well. It's what, 25th? SPY. Bonds coming down. There's a bond short if anybody wants a small short to 21. Maybe 6 ticks in the bonds. CB. SPY. June 26th. I don't have a range chart on RTY. I have no range chart. Anybody take gold long? It's bidding. ES needs to get above 12, 43.12. I didn't get I didn't get any of these longs either on the RTY. Now I got an RTY trade. First trade I've had on the RTY. First RTY bot trade. Target filled. Freaking beast. There we go. Target 2. I just said ES has to get above 12. I'm digging I just bought SPY calls, fellas. Where the hell is it? Last price 634. I paid 586. Here's the chart I showed you guys. We basically tested that 28 area, held. Target is 440 if anybody took it, give or take. There's the NASDAQ going, guys. There's my target. Anybody hold it to 168? It hit 167 quarter. Anybody hold it to 168? NASDAQ's going to pop. I'm telling you, it's going to pop right here. There's my 168. Hit my damn target. If NASDAQ can get above 80, what did you say, Greg? Nice job, Ozzy. 85, 86, NASDAQ is going to trade 260. 260. Greg, what was your number? 84. Thank you. There you go. All three targets on the Russell. Guys, I'm shutting my bots off. Bots are up 20. I'll go over all the trades. These bots would be well over 3,000 up today. Nothing else is going to take it. 84.50. Got it. All right, NASDAQ, let's go get you 200. 240. 250. If anybody is still in the NASDAQ, you've got a 240 target now. It's got to get through, red, but 240 target. Look at the ES. Golly. Come on, push. Nice job, Albert. Nice job. I told you guys, over that 12. Kill it. NASDAQ's going to 240. New 5-minute bar. Come on, 240. Don't pull back. I get lucky, brother. I get lucky. It happens sometimes. I mean, I get lucky more often than not, but it's luck. No idea what I'm doing here, fellas. None. Just pushing buttons. Crude still lifting off. Crude has a target 84.80 area. Come on, NASDAQ. Blow it up. I want to hold this area here, 82. And we need to get back. We need to get through 15 on the NASDAQ. Maybe not even 15. 13. NASDAQ above 13 is in liftoff mode. Above 13. Here's where we're stuck. I'm going to show you where we're stuck. Look at the hourly. This is where we're stuck. 11. Okay? Turning line on the hourly. Above that, this thing is going to blow up. Delta's down to negative 850. 880. You've got some sellers in here now. Don't you push down here. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Next candle in 14 seconds. NASDAQ's got to pull back above 82.83. And then it's got to launch through 13. 82.83 is the line in the sand now. There's a new candle. Come on, buyers. Back up to 900 negative delta. Buyers coming in again. Buyers coming in again. That 200 level is a line in the sand, guys. That 200 level. We get above 200 and this thing is, look, we're almost to VWAP here, almost to VWAP here. Come on, we pushed up to 97. Got 150 buyers in here. Come on, NASDAQ. $10.34, fellas. $10.34. We could pull back to 52, so be careful if you're long. 189. Thank you, Lori. Well, we're fighting big red. We know that red is a problem, right? Always. ES is going to trade up to 47 to 50. Here you go. Here goes your move, guys. Here comes your move. Here it comes. Buyers are in. 500 buyers here. Here goes NASDAQ. It's over. 240 to 255 target NASDAQ. ES target 49. Oh, we got 600 buyers in here, fellas. We're down to 370 net negative delta. I would not be looking for a short. This just hasn't gone yet, but it's gonna go. Gold is bid. I told you gold long and that pullback to 41, 42. Anybody long gold? Oh, NASDAQ. I can't believe we just lost that. We broke to VWAP and failed with an infinitesimal net negative delta. Infinitesimal. Who do we have to get rid of? Somebody tell me. That's right. Europe. Europe. Got to get rid of Europe. 11:30. I can't. This is our bounce area here, 32. All right, guys. We had 1,000 sellers come in on this candle. We're bouncing out of this 27, 28 zone. Guys, it's pretty volatile. It is fairly volatile. Gold is easier to trade by a long shot, albeit much slower. I'm going to try a long back to 72. A long 72. Come on, 72. I'm playing with a ton of ticks. What time does Micro Enabling S come out today? What is Micro Enabling S? You mean Microsoft? After the close. After the close. All right, guys. First target, I want 66. 66. You better bounce. Come on. Let's go, Chooch. You're ding dong. Should go back to 70 before it finds a wall again. The other trade, if you guys want it, is a short below 118. That's the trade. So the long is, maybe in this area with and then a short below 18. But I'm not keen on the shorts. I think they're going to suck these shorts in and kill them. Come on, why are you floating? Come on. Get back up above 50 and go. 50. Not 250. Not 3 ticks through 50. Let's go. 66. Come on, dirtbag. Oh, man. ES is trying. Just does not want to pop. Guys, it's really got to get above that previous move up of about 58 half. 58 half now. We keep getting to that 50 and then it dries. We've got buyers. I've got 200 buyers in this candle. We have a small net negative delta of about 1,400 contracts. It isn't many. I'll get you $5. Buyers keep trying, and then they get hit. They're absorbing the selling, and it's not big sellers. 170 buyers, 164, 140 buyers, 150. "45 seconds to the next." There it goes. Come on, pop here, and it's good. Pop right here. Right there. Come. Got it. Target one. Use. I got you. I got you. I got you. Again. You guys good? Target one. This is my second RTY trade. Target one. Guys, at 11, I'll go over bot trades. Everybody good? Anybody take the long? Here we go, fellas. Are you guys ready for the lift? You got a 50 handle move already. Dr. Fauci says he does not think we will see an indefinite number of surges in COVID, the deadly virus that 99.8% people survive. COVID. Wear your masks, kids. Wear your masks. Wear your seatbelt at the beach, too. Freaking clowns. Seriously, clowns. I mean, it's just utter stupidity. It is utter stupidity. Now Biden wants to give away millions of N95 masks. It's going to look like freaking 1914. All he should do is hand out pith helmets, too. You look at everybody walk around like they're World War I, waiting for the mustard gas attack. Nice job, Deepak. I agree, Rick. 100%. Guys, if we blow through VWAP, this thing is going to run so fast, it'll rattle your teeth if we get above VWAP. If anybody is holding longs, you have to email me. And not only, no, Todd, no, Todd, no. You are in Thursday's class. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday's class. It's okay, man. Guys, if we get above VWAP, this thumb gun's going to go quick. Where did I tell you ES was going? 39. Your four handles if you're holding ES. $1,500 runner, fellas. $1,700 runner. You are very welcome, Francisco. Very well. Very welcome. 18. Anybody holding along here, guys? Anybody holding along? All right, fellas. I want to see a 5-minute close above VWAP. Anybody buy the SPY calls? Anybody buy SPY calls? Guys, I'll come out of this about 260. That's my goal. 260. This will more than likely be my last trade of the morning session. And it will be. It's 249. Let's call it 258.75. 258.75. That might be a little generous. Let me just see something here, guys. No, 261 is good. As always, trade them as you see fit. Anybody buy the SPY calls? I am up 45%. I will close them when the ES gets probably to 48 or 49. I will close SPY calls if you took that trade on the option. Ten minutes to the close, fellas. Hang on, guys. All right, guys. Come on, SPY. Let's get above 35. I really would like SPY at around 36. Let's see here, Robert. What a ride this morning. Oh, damn. That's a ride, brother. Down 5,000, now up 2,000. That's a ride. I took the loss on the first trade. I don't know. I'll tell you where I finish when we're done here. If I get that last target, that should put me up over 5. Guys, I'm telling you, we're going to blow up. My sense is as soon as we get rid of Europe, they're going to blow it up. The momentum to the downside at this moment is done. We're just hanging out, plus or minus VWAP. We need that 5-minute close above VWAP, and the buyers will have them. Let's see here, Dan. Your Ninja Trader froze, and your stop was 100 handles. Holy Nikes. You were down 12 grand and just made it all. Now you're up 4 grand. Oh, my God. I'm going to have to put you in somebody else's category who came back from down 12 grand. Might have been 16. I don't remember what they said. I don't want to say any names. Yeah, listen, this is not an easy trade. This is not an easy trade. All right, I'm taking money. Guys, I'm out. I'm at 45.25. It's a good day for me. Not a bad 3 hours, fellas. Trading small, 1s and 2s. Guys, is everybody good today? Is everybody good? Do I have anybody not making money? How much, Paul? Yeah, but let me ask you a question. When somebody says they're down, the first question I have to ask is, if you're down, did you have problems with the platform? Yeah, ninja problems. I can't overcome that. I don't know how to, tell me how much you're down. How did you miss the trades, Dilpree? How do you miss the trades when I tell you guys what I'm just asking? How do you miss the trades? Are you doing something else? Watching your own charts, multitasking? Oh, it's your issue, fear. Oh, okay. I can't overcome fear. Guys, I can teach you guys everything I know. If you're in my order flow class, I can teach you how to trade order flow. I can tell you what it is that I'm doing. I can tell you what it is that I'm seeing, right? I can arm you with all. All right, guys. ES took one trade today, a winner, 1 for 1. Okay. First target only for me. Crude took 2 trades. Trade number 1 was at 924, first target only. Trade number 2, 939, first target only for me, but it did go to all the way to third target and then some. Okay, so 2 for 2 on crude. NASDAQ, I did not run today, and it figures. NASDAQ had would have been trade number 1 at 857, would have been a monster winning trade. Trade number 2 at 951 would have been a very nice winning trade. So 2 trades on the NASDAQ. I got neither. I had my bot off today on the assumption we would get skewed data. Russell, for some unknown reason or inexplicable reason, I did not get any of these trades, and they were mostly winners. I think there was 1 losing trade in here, and then I got 2 winning trades. So here's the deal. Let's just go through the trades. Trade number 1, okay? This is all the same trade. This is the same trade. It's not 3 trades. It's just 1 trade, 2 additional signals. Winner. Okay? 1 for 1. Trade number 2, winner. This goes, and then trade number 3 is a loser. So another winner and a loser. This trade here is a new signal and it's a loser. Trade number 4, winner. Trade number 5, winner. Trade number 6, winner. Trade number 7, winner. Trade number 8, winner. Trade number 9, loser. Trade number 10, winner. Trade number 11, winner. Trade number 12, loser. My first trade, 13, winner. 14, winner. 15, loser. Took more trades than yesterday. That's it. Last trade. Okay. Took 14 trades today. No, not as many as yesterday, but close. 14 trades today with 5, 10, 11 winners. 15 trades. Was 11 for 15 today. Okay. Last but not least is gold. Trade number 1, winner. Trade number 2, winner. Trade number 3, winner. Trade number 4, winner. Trade number 5, loser. And what would have been trade number 6, neither a winner or a loser at this point. Has neither gone to stop or target. Okay? My bot total on the session, 2,142.50 up. Okay, 2142.50 in the green. That could have been significantly higher with the NASDAQ and those Russell trades, but we'll live with that. Some of you guys are new with the bot. Some of you guys have purchased the bot, okay, or in the last few, let's say, month. Some of you guys still don't really understand your bot and are emailing me and they're saying, can you log into my computer? I don't have the same totals. Okay.